Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SAHIRA binti M.RADHAZLI. I'm from CSC583 and I will explain about my presentation. It's about state of the art. So the first is introduction. What is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, which means a machine or computer system that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Or the simple sentences that mean computer can think, learn and decide like human using a data and algorithm. So what is the state of the art? The newest and most powerful AI system created with the latest research and technology. So the latest AI I choose is ChatGPT-5. What is ChatGPT-5? ChatGPT is the latest AI that created by Power AI in 2025. It's present majorly in natural language understanding, reasoning and multimodal capability. What is multimodal? I will explain for the next slide. This version allows users to chat with image, document and even voice seamlessly. Who created ChatGPT-5? ChatGPT-5 was created by OpenAI by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Why does ChatGPT-5 exist? I find 4 aspects that really important. Why? The first is knowledge source. We know that before this, if we want a data, a fact and history, we need to do a research, find a static data, find a graph to get the real answer. But after ChatGPT exists, people do not to open the book to do a research every day one by one, because ChatGPT can help what you want to find. And for example, you just ask to ChatGPT, I want to know the graph the graph about healthy food from 20 years. So the ChatGPT will give you the graph, will give you the link where you can get the evidence. So people no need to open the book. So users use machine real-time data, have internet and deep learning models trained on billions of that. So the second is response time. We know that when we have to open the book traditional method before ChatGPT exists, very slow. Human have to recall our brain to know about some topic, but maybe that's very limited because not all the topic we know is very dalam. So we need the time to search, to read and analyze the information. But after ChatGPT-5 exists, the response is instant. Generate accurate natural answer in second. That means when like before this, I give an example. If you ask to ChatGPT, can you teach me how to put programming coding? Then ChatGPT can give the answer how to put the coding one by one, very detailed. Maybe in millisecond, no need to open the book like traditional method. So the third is adaptability. So traditional method is very limited because we have to use our brain. We know that not everyone people know about some topic is very detailed. Maybe like I can know about the coding, and maybe some others study on business. They know about business but don't know about programming. So when we maybe the student of business want to know about the coding, they can ask the ChatGPT, because ChatGPT not limited. When we want to know everything in the world, what we want. And ChatGPT continues improve through model training and feedback. That means machine learning. That means ChatGPT, the answer is more one by one in the years that have improvement. That means the answer based on the experience. When the technology more improve, so the ChatGPT give the latest the answer from the experience based on the people ask that same question before. So the fourth is accuracy and creativity. We know that when we use traditional method, that's depend on human skill and our limited database. We know our brain is for everyone is not same. So have a limited idea, not really complicated like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is robot, use transformer. So they have they can answer the complicated question. Next is technology involved. The first is transformer architecture GPT series. ChatGPT-5 is built on the transformer model architecture, which use self-attention mechanism and positional encoding to process large volume of the text and other modality in parallel rather than sequentially. This allows the model to understand the content, word relationship and dependency in a sentence efficiently. So the simple that means is use a self-intention mechanism to understand relationship between the words. So what is transformer structure? The original transformer has a encoder and decoder. So encoder to read and understand the input of, for example, is paragraph. Decoder to generate the output, or let's mean translation or answer. So what is self-intention? Self-intention is word token at the time to every word, calculating and what we want to score. This helps the model to understand content to a meaning, not just order. So for example, we have three huruf, Q, K and V. Q for query, K for key, V for value and D_K dimension of size. It's multimodal input processing like text, image and audio. For your information, before the ChatGPT-5 have another version like ChatGPT 3, 4 and 5, the latest. So 3 and 4 we don't have the function or feature of can just use image and voice to answer the question to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT-5 latest have the function. So GPT-5 advanced beyond that only input in support multimodal input. For example, text, image and audio. That means the model can analyze, understand and generate response based on more than one form of input, which significantly expect its application. That means not just you have to type in and ask the question, but you can voice, you can put the image and ask the ChatGPT to answer what you want to get from the picture, what you want to get from your voice. That means ChatGPT can translate what you talk and what you answer. Example for is reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. That means an essential part of ChatGPT-5 training is RLHF, where human evaluator give feedback on model output, guiding the model to produce more accurate, safe and aligned response. This interactive process improves performance, safety and user alignment. So the next is function and features. So the first is understand and generate text in natural conversation. That means we can give the picture to the ChatGPT and ChatGPT auto generate and translate from the picture what that's have. For example, in the picture, ask can you calculate x plus 1? So the ChatGPT can give the answer from picture question. Second is can process and analyze image and document. Also, you can give a PDF file, PowerPoint. ChatGPT can help you what you want from the PDF. For example, I always use ChatGPT to help generate a simple notes from slide presentation to get a simple notes for me to study. And then third is support multimodal input, text, image and audio. Like before I talk, have a audio or voice message. You can voice what you want to ask. ChatGPT can help you to answer the question you ask. And next is offer real-time reasoning and contextual awareness. The last one is integrate seamlessly with application and with API. So the conclusion is ChatGPT-5 marks a new milestone in artificial intelligence development. Its ability to interact across multiple media types and perform complex reasoning tasks is one of the most advanced and practical AI systems to date. For me, when final year's exam is come, I use ChatGPT-5 for help me to understand some of topic that I not really understand. That ChatGPT helping students to understand the lesson, summarize topic or explain difficult concept clearly. For example, I will ask ChatGPT, can you explain the more detail what kind of process that's study. The second is improve our writing and communication skill. Sometimes I just use English language broken, but ChatGPT can help me to have a formal language in English. Students can practice essay, report and speech with instant feedback, improving grammar, vocabulary and critical thinking. And the third is boost creativity. We know that our brain is limited and we have to know another idea. Maybe the ChatGPT can give an interesting idea, but we have to do our R&D to get a more interesting.